Hi, this is Mr. Leckenby at the Edison Public Library, and today I'm going to be showing you how to make a cork sailboat. But first I'm going to read you a story by the author Linda Ashman. This book is called Sailing Off to Sleep. It's nighttime, my little one. Climb into bed. I don't want to sleep. I'll go sailing instead. There's only one problem. Your ship has no sail. I'm tying my boat to the tail of a whale. Where will you go with this blubbery beast? As far as we can. To the Arctic, at least. The ocean is icy. You might sink your boat. I'll ask a fat walrus to keep me afloat. Won't you be cold? It's freezing up there. I'll cuddle up close to a warm polar bear. What about food? You'll get hungry, my sweet. I can make ice cream. There's plenty to eat. The wind can be fierce. You'll be tossed like a ball. I'll land on a fur seal. It won't hurt at all. What if you're lost? You don't know the way. I'll follow the tracks of a caribou sleigh. You won't have your playmates to chase in this place. I'll take some ox in an ice skating race. What if you trip? It's slippery, you know. I'll ride on a moose. They're used to the snow. Won't you get lonely out there on your own? The wolf pups are friendly. I won't be alone. But what if I miss you? I already do. I'll find a big snow goose and fly home to you. And what will you do when you're back in my sight? I'll climb in your arms and I'll kiss you goodnight. I guess you should go. There's a long night ahead. Maybe tomorrow. I'm ready for bed. All right. So that's a nice story about imagining going places. Speaking of going places, I'm going to show you how to make a sailboat out of corks. The nice thing about this is that the boat will actually float, because corks float. Okay, so you're going to need 3 corks. All right, and your grown-ups can help you get those. A piece of paper or foam or plastic, anything that's flat and you can cut out square. 2 thick rubber bands and a toothpick. Alright, I'm going to move my camera so you can see what I'm doing. Alright, so you're going to take your 3 corks and you're going to wrap them in the rubber band. Okay, like so. Take the other one. You might have to double the rubber band around them. All right. Okay. Here you go. So there's basically your raft. And then what you're going to do is you're going to take your piece of foam or paper and your toothpick, and you're going to feed the toothpick into the bottom of the piece of paper, like so that it comes out the back. And then you're going to kind of feed it up a little ways and then put it back through. All right, and what this does is holds it in place, but it also creates a little pocket so that if the wind is blowing, it's going to catch it, and that's what's going to make the boat move. All right, and then you're going to carefully put the toothpick in the middle, and there you go. There's your sailboat. And that should help you go on your adventure. All right, well, thank you for coming to 5-Minute Family Fun at the Edison Public Library. Hope to see you at the library. Please visit us on our website to see what other programming we have coming up for the month of August. Goodbye.